Assalamu alaikum and welcome to this week's horoscope for October 5 to October 11, 2024. As the planets dance through the cosmos, they bring with them unique energies that influence and can shape our experiences in various aspects of life. Whether you're seeking guidance in your career, love life, or personal well being, these insights can help you navigate the week ahead with clarity and purpose. So grab your favorite cup of tea, sit back, and let's explore what the stars have in store for each sign. Let's talk about Leo now. This week, focus on self promotion. Share your ideas confidently, as this should lead to recognition from your superiors. Your creativity will be a valued asset, so don't hold back. This week calls for financial prudence. Avoid unnecessary purchases and instead focus on long term saving goals. This is a good time to review your financial plans. Spend quality time with family members this week. Organize fun family activities or outings to strengthen your bonds and create lasting memories together. In your love life, consider planning a surprise for your partner to rekindle the spark. For singles, engaging in social activities may lead to interesting connections. Prioritize your physical health this week. Consider joining a fitness class or outdoor activity to keep yourself active and energized. Let's move on to Virgo. With Mercury and the Sun in your work sector, expect a busy week ahead. This is an excellent time to showcase your skills and take on new responsibilities. Stay organized to manage your workload effectively. Ketu may create some fluctuations in your finances. Stay vigilant about your expenses and avoid impulsive spending. It is a good time to review your budget and savings plan. You may find family members seeking your guidance this week. Your supportive words can provide comfort and clarity to those who need it, strengthening your family bonds. Honest communication will be crucial in your love life. Open up to your partner about your feelings to strengthen your emotional connection. Be mindful of your stress levels. Engage in relaxation practices such as yoga or deep breathing exercises to maintain your well being. Let's move on to Libra. With Venus and the Moon in your partnership sector, teamwork will be vital this week. Collaborate with colleagues and ensure you're receptive to their ideas for a more productive environment. Venus brings harmony to financial dealings. Consider reviewing any contracts or agreements that may benefit you financially. Family dynamics may require your attention this week. Be available to listen and support your loved ones, fostering a nurturing environment. Your love life is highlighted. If single, you may find opportunities for meaningful connections. For those in relationships, prioritize intimate conversations to deepen your bond. Focus on self care this week, whether it's treating yourself to a spa day or simply relaxing with a good book. Make time for activities that rejuvenate your spirit. Let's move on to Scorpio. Rahu in your career sector suggests that this week may bring unexpected changes in your job. Be adaptable and embrace new challenges as they arise, as they could lead to growth. Be cautious with joint finances this week. Clear communication will be essential to avoid any misunderstandings or conflicts over money. Family discussions may delve into deeper issues this week. Your insights would help resolve tensions and bring clarity to complicated matters. If you're dating, take your time to build trust. Avoid overwhelming your partner with too much information too soon. Let the relationship develop naturally. Focus on holistic practices this week. Explore relaxation techniques such as aromatherapy or meditation to maintain a sense of balance and well being. Thank you for joining me in this week's astrological journey. Remember, the cosmos provided us with insights, but it is our choice and actions that ultimately define our paths. Stay tuned for more updates and feel free to share your experiences or thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this horoscope, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel Sitaro Ka Safar for more celestial insights. Until next time.